What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to jump on here for a second, and if y'all hear that slapping, like I said, that's my tarp on the front of my shop until I get it completed, closed in. Still got to do it. Just waiting on the weather to get better. But like I said in the previous video, the 4Ks are doing great. Man, it's a big difference. And to be honest, guys, if any of you are looking to do the 4Ks or the 3Ks, I suggest doing that before you do really anything else, because I went ahead and got Ducky 5x12 injectors. I got a few other things coming that I already had on the list to come and done committed to it. But anyway, we do have a couple of parts that's coming here that's going to help this tow vehicle out a lot, and I can't wait for them to get here and to be able to share them with you guys and to let y'all follow along with me on this build. It's what I got coming is supposed to help my EGTs. They're supposed to just make it run a lot cooler. And I got to relocate the EGT, the probe. Someone put it down there on the exhaust right behind the turbo. And I guess it's mixed emotions here. I just want to put it in one of the spots that it's already been drilled for it. But I want y'all to just keep watching. I can't wait to share that. If you follow my Instagram page, you'll already know what one of them is. And then you'll see a package to the other one. So see if anyone can figure it out. But like I said, I still want to give those exotic performance head studs away. And in order for me to do that, I want to grow this channel. I need your guys' help. Hit the bell. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my buddy Cutter Up Rob's page. His channel's growing like crazy. But he has a lot of knowledge, and like I said, he has been helping me with this truck. Great guy, and I know he's opened up actually made another page on Facebook. It's Cutter Up Rob. I'll have to look back in I'm on the page to see what it is, because I understand it's going to get hard for him to be able to answer all our questions, and I know I asked a lot also, and I can only imagine of where he's at now, and it's already going over 1,000 subscribers. So I can only imagine the people asked him, which is great. That's what my channel is for, and I know his is the same way. But it's just overwhelming when you have so many people asking you questions on Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, and I can see where he come from. You can't keep up with it all. I have a few people asking me stuff, and I'm still, like I said, I'm still trying to learn all this stuff. And I want to learn it, and I want to grow this channel, but I need your guys' help to be able to do that. Like I said, what's coming up next, all the rain is finally gone, and, we had some tornadoes over the past week also. But what's coming up next, I do have to put the heater core in, and I may do that video because I've seen a few of them, but not really on the 5-speed and not really in-depth on how to do it. I've seen a few guys do the trick. They cut the heater core lines, but the one I did get, it is swivel. I did call Gino's Garage to try to get the copper, but it was on back order. I've been waiting 2 weeks, and I just had to go and just cancel the order and just get one at O'Reilly's. So we'll see how that one holds up. But we will be doing the Ducky 5x12 injectors. The fleece coolant bypass, we will do that install. And we will be doing the other two things that I got coming, the install on them. But guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Check me out on Instagram, CDP and Performance. Give us a follow. And guys, I will talk to y'all when we start the other project.